See a movie. Fritzy! Yeah? You're silly? Oh, that's the camera. Look, there's Franz again. Are you okay making another movie?
Yes. I want to be a dinosaur.
You want to be a dinosaur? Okay, be a dinosaur.
I want to be a T-Rex.
You be a T-Rex then. So scary.
Oh, Fitz is a Triceratops.
He's a Triceratops? Okay, just don't hurt him. Fritz!
Done.
Yeah? This is Franz being a T-Rex chasing Fritz the Triceratops. Hey, be easy on him. This is that beautiful Mount Trashmore. Yeah? What, babe? Yeah? Hey, be nice. Yeah?
Oh, movie done.
Okay, the movie is done.